Hello and welcome to another episode here at Big Man of the Woods. My name's Mark, your online scout leader, helping you become the best scout leader that you can be. Now, I've been quizzed this week. Earlier on, during the week on Instagram, I put up a post called Scout Sunday Snapshot. What are we doing at Scouts during the week? And what I posted was my legal, illegal table to do with knife work. And I had so many messages, emails asking me, Mark, what's this all about? So I thought, you know what? We're doing it again here at Scouts this week. Before I show you my table, I just want to tell you, this isn't the law 100%. The law changes all the time, and you might watch this video in a year's time and the law might have changed, okay? So I'm not going to tell you the current law, but I think this won't change what you're allowed to carry with you and what you're not, okay? So the table is my legal, illegal table, and I get the scouts to discuss what they think they can carry on the streets of London, because we live in London, for your everyday carry, your EDC, okay? So what you think you would be able to carry on your person, in your pocket, or in your rucksack. And if you get pulled over by the police for whatever reason, for a random search, and they find these items on you, will you get into trouble or not? So there's a whole lot of different items on this table, and I get the scouts to discuss what they think they are legally allowed to carry and what they cannot carry 100%. Let's have a look. Right, so here's the legal and illegal table. So let's show you what I've got. Just some random things. Knife, a kitchen knife, Leatherman's, one of those 99p blades that you can get. Corkscrew, a different type of corkscrew, a wooden knife, okay? I stress a wooden knife. There's a reason for that. Pen knife, vegetable peeler, kitchen scissors, tent peg, and Bear Grylls' Gerber knife, all right? So you can have any random kind of items on this table. And the scouts have just got to work out what they think they can carry around every day in their backpack, all right? So there's a big discussion. When I do this, I don't give them any law, all right? I don't tell them there's a law what you can carry. It's just what they think off the top of the head. And the discussions we have are amazing. You know, I don't interrupt them. Sometimes it takes a minute, 2 minutes. Last week took about 5 or 6 minutes. The scouts were having some amazing conversations all about the buzzword context. What is the context? Okay, so really, you can carry most of these things, and most of them you can't. So some are legal and some are illegal. This knife you're never going to get away with, yeah? But a tent peg, you could kill someone, you can maim someone. Same with a corkscrew, it can do a lot of damage straight in the eye. Vegetable peeler, it's a weapon, it can be anything, you can hurt someone. But there might be a context-wise why you are carrying this around. Vegetable peeler and the chef's knife because you are a chef. Leatherman because you are a DIY builder. Corkscrew because you work in a pub or something, I don't know. There's a whole lot of reasons why you can legally carry them and illegally, okay? Like I say, I'm not gonna get into the law because depending when you're watching this, the law could change. It's about getting your scouts discussing them. What do they think they're carrying? Why are they carrying it, all right? And I point to this. One of the scouts last week when we were doing this said, Mark, why would you ever carry a wooden knife? No one carries a wooden knife. And I said, picture this, you know, you're standing at the end of the road, dark, and you see a silhouette of a knife. You think, oh my God, this is a knife. You don't know, 10 feet away, 20 feet away, that this is a wooden knife. It's got a bit of a point to it that can hurt you, that definitely will cut you. But it's not like a metal knife, yeah? But from a distance, it does. So what is the context? Why are you carrying this around? Maybe that person's carrying it around to scare you. And this is what we're discussing with the scouts. No matter what you're doing in London, don't even bring a pretend knife with you, because if you carry a knife, you're gonna get hurt, you know? Enough of a rant. That's not what I wanted to talk about. There you go, the scout leaders, how to do a legal and illegal table. Now go and find those items dotted around the scout hall and create your own legal and illegal table and see what the scouts come up with.